What's happening, guys? I'm the stock guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube. Today I've got a great video. I'm going to be breaking down a trade that I just took on Apple. It was a breakout over the high of the day, and I'm just going to be talking about what I could have done differently, what I did good, and why I took the trade, and basically everything about it. Okay, so let's get right into it. So first things first, I saw Apple have this nice push up in the morning, and then we hit this resistance point right here. Okay, and then we started pulling back after that. So I'm just going to put a line here where that resistance is. All right, so we started pulling back here. And then as we started breaking out here, what I noticed is we're also breaking out at the same time on the NASDAQ and also breaking out of the high day on the SPY or the SPY futures as well. The whole market is going up as Apple was breaking above these highs. So now let me switch it over to a bigger chart here so you guys can see. And we'll zoom in a little bit. Bear with me. Here we go. Okay, so I took this trade, guys, as Apple was breaking above the high of day here, okay? And the reason this trade didn't work out for me, ideally, it did work out. I didn't have a red trade, but it didn't really hit my profit target, was because I was too busy watching the S&P and the NASDAQ as they were breaking over their high days. So when I got into this trade here, it was basically already up to like here. So I got in when it was not as it broke out, but after it had already broken out. So let's go to the contracts here. I want to show you guys because I was trading stock options just to let you guys know. I didn't buy shares here. So yeah, you can see I got in at $1.27 and got out at $1.30. So only 3 cents here, basically nothing. But I was in the red at my max stop loss. Now let's take a look here. Okay, so I got in at 9:45.09. So let's go back here. And oh yeah, okay, no. So the time doesn't matter too much. It's $1.27 is when I got in, right? When I got to Apple on my phone because I was trading off my phone this morning, the first price that I saw on those contracts was the bid was at $1 and the ask was at $1.03. So there was only a 3 cent spread when I first was trying to get into it. But by the time I was hitting buy, I was getting it at $1.27. So the stock, excuse me, guys, the stock had almost gone up about 25% already before I even got in. So I got like a really bad fill. Had I got in as it was breaking above the high of day, it would have been a much better trade. But I did get in late, so I got a bad fill, and I got in at $1.27. And literally, as soon as I got in, the first thing I saw was that the bid was at $1.16. 11 cents below what I was getting, or 11% below what I had gotten in at, and my max loss is 10%. So I basically, as soon as I saw that I could get out in the green, I took that advantage, and it actually did go up even higher to a 20% target, which is what I wanted. So I got in at $1.27. It went up to about like $1.47, but I wasn't going to take that risk because I got in so late. So basically, a great trade. You know, we had the breakout of the high of the day, and if I got in as it was breaking out, it would have been a picture perfect trade. I would have made my 20% like that super quick. But because I got in late, I wasn't able to make that. But I did the smart thing by getting out in the green as soon as I could. Granted, hindsight, I could have made more money, but when you're in those type of situations where you don't have an ideal entry, you really don't want to stick around and just hope and wait, right? Because that trade definitely could have turned around on me and I could have lost a lot more than my max loss. So I'm glad that I handled it the way I did. So I just wanted to share that with everybody so that you guys can kind of have some insight on this day-to-day trading that I'm doing. Okay, guys, so if you guys like this video, go ahead and click my channel below. I've got a lot more videos like this one. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Guys, I promise you, you should definitely check out my videos because you will learn something in every video that I post. All right, later, guys.